What are we making today?
Pizza.
Pizza?
Yeah.
We're making pizza.
Yeah.
Can you say hi to everybody?
Daddy.
How do we make pizza? You don't know?
Oh, yeah.
That's okay. I'll teach you. What we're gonna do is we are going to melt the olive oil and butter. We're gonna melt it over medium heat, and then we're going to add the onions that were pureed, the seasoning, garlic.
No cookie.
Yes, garlic. Then after that, we'll add the crushed tomatoes and a tablespoon of the tomato paste.
Mom.
That's a tablespoon. Good job. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, can you put that down? Okay, hold on. Hold on. Ready?
Papa.
Yep, do not touch it, okay?
Yeah. I will go there.
No, 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 no. No. Can you give me the onions? Thank you. Oh, don't spill it. Yep. Don't spill it. You might cry.
No balls.
There you go. Can I have the seasoning? This one's the seasoning. Thank you. Let me turn the fire back on. Ooh. Good?
Yeah, good.
Here's an empty one. We're gonna let this saute for about 3 minutes, okay? And then we'll grate in the garlic. Don't touch it.
Thank you.
Be careful, okay?
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Ew.
Now you have to lick it.
Mm.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Can I have the garlic? Thank you, baby. Yeah. Take one and deep. Nope, it's hot. There you go. Thank you, sweetie. I'm gonna need the tablespoon, okay? Can you give me the tablespoon? Will it fit? Oh, that is perfect, baby girl. Thank you. Now I need this. Yep, tomatoes. Let's see how much salt it needs, okay?
No, Daddy.
Oh, that's good. You want to try some?
No.
It's not hot. Try it. Please. It's pizza sauce. Does it need salt? I think so. Okay?
Okay.
Do not touch the pan.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, that's enough. Thank you, baby. I'm gonna move you back.
Good.
Mm-hmm. You want to try it again?
Yeah.
Open. Does that taste like pizza sauce? It kind of does, huh? We're doing well. We're gonna set a timer for 30 minutes and work on the pizza crust. Are you ready?
Yeah. Pizza.
Pizza!
Pizza.
You wanna eat pizza?
Yeah.
Me too. Do you like pizza?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, is it good in your tummy?
Yeah.
Rub your tummy. Num num num.
No, no, no.
Num 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 num.
No, no, no.
Num num num.
No, no.
So fun! Okay, let's leave this here.